3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is rapidly revolutionizing the worlds of manufacturing and medicine. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods that involve subtracting material from a larger block, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer, using materials such as plastics, metals, and even biological cells. This innovative approach offers significant advantages, including reduced waste, faster production times, and the ability to create complex shapes and structures that are difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional techniques. In the manufacturing sector, 3D printing is transforming how products are designed and produced. It allows for rapid prototyping, enabling designers and engineers to quickly create and test new product designs. This accelerates the development process and reduces costs by eliminating the need for expensive molds or tooling. Additionally, 3D printing supports customization, allowing manufacturers to produce small batches of customized products efficiently. This flexibility is particularly valuable in industries like aerospace and automotive, where precision and tailored solutions are essential. By reducing material waste and energy consumption, 3D printing also contributes to more sustainable manufacturing practices. In medicine, 3D printing is driving groundbreaking innovations in patient care. It is being used to create custom prosthetics and implants that perfectly match a patient's anatomy, improving comfort and outcomes. Surgeons can now use 3D printed models of patients' organs or bones to plan complex surgeries with greater precision, reducing the risk of complications. Furthermore, the development of bioprinting, a form of 3D printing that uses living cells, holds the potential to create tissue and organ transplants tailored to individual patients, addressing the critical shortage of donor organs. Beyond prosthetics and implants, 3D printing is making strides in drug development and delivery. Researchers are exploring the use of 3D printers to create custom medication dosages, enabling personalized treatment plans that consider a patient's specific needs and medical history. This could revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry by reducing side effects and improving therapeutic outcomes. The future of 3D printing in manufacturing and medicine is incredibly promising. As the technology continues to advance, it is expected to bring about even more efficient, cost-effective, and personalized solutions. In manufacturing, 3D printing could lead to entirely new production paradigms, where products are printed on demand and locally, reducing the need for large-scale factories and minimizing shipping costs and emissions. In medicine, ongoing research into bioprinting and the use of new materials could pave the way for the printing of complex tissues and even functional organs, potentially saving countless lives. Ultimately, 3D printing represents a significant leap forward in both industries, offering new possibilities for innovation, efficiency, and customization. It is not just reshaping how we build and heal today, it is redefining what is possible for the future.